Welcome to Unlocking SweetCommerce, a series of tutorials, how-tos, and guides guaranteed to make SweetCommerce easy. Hi, I'm Fran, Project Management Officer at Tevano team, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the product lists in SweetCommerce. Product lists are a list of products users can save in their personal accounts. The feature's name in NetSuite is Product List, but you can change it. In this video, you'll see it renamed to Shopping Lists. Product lists are related to registered users, so they will need to be logged in to access, create, or edit their lists. Here's how it works. Start by selecting the item you'd like to add to your list. Click on the Add to My Shopping List button. All your lists will be shown in a drop-down menu. Select the list you want, or create a new one, or both. Users have complete control over the lists. They can access them here. My account, my product lists, all my lists. To edit the list, users have to click on the Edit button. Now they can edit the name, add notes, create descriptions, or delete it. The Add List to Cart button will be activated as soon as there is at least one item on the list. Clicking this button will send the entire list directly to the shopping cart. However, if they only want some of these items, they'll have to open the list and select the items one by one. So what are the benefits for the merchant? In the NetSuite UI, the merchant will find the product lists within the customer record. Here, you can access the lists of any particular customer. You'll see the same information that users do. To access them, find the customer record in NetSuite. Go to the SweetCommerce Extensions tab, Product Lists sub-tab, and here you'll be able to see the customer's product list. Click on any of them and you can find the items available in each one. Click on New Product Lists to create a special list of products for this particular customer. The information inside shopping lists can be very valuable to your marketing team. It can be used to generate campaigns based on contents that users found popular and desirable. The merchant can set predefined lists for all new customers. Predefined lists are, for example, My List, Save for Later, or Wish List. To edit, rename, create, or add predefined lists, go to Commerce, Websites, Configuration. Select the domain and website you want to configure. Navigate to the Shopping tab and the Wishlist sub-tab. Set the feature properties as required and save. And you're done! Now you're ready to make the most of your product list feature in your SweetCommerce website yourself. Give it a try. Subscribe to our channel for more SweetCommerce tutorials and don't forget to turn on the notifications. See you next time!